we will take a cube and we will try to open it along its edge. But what we get if we open it? Let's see. We will start open from the top, face after face. I will start open from here, face after face, after face, after face, and now we have a completely opened cubes. We get a 2D shape like this, 2D shape. But what is this? It's called a net. A net. Net, it's a 2D shape. It's a diagram. This diagram tell me how many faces we have and what's the shape for each face. What's the 2D shape for each face? So the net for the cube have 6 faces. Each face is a square. If I open my cube in different way, I will not start from top, I will start from here, then up, then here, then here. I will have a different diagram. This net, it's different than this one, but it's still have 6 faces. Each face is a square. So if I close it again, I will also have a cube. Okay. Now we will start open the other shape and we will see what's the 2D shape you will have if we open each 3D shape. So we will start open the shapes one by one to see what's the net or what is the shape of the net we will have. I will start open the cube again. Show net. I have this diagram. This diagram have how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what's the shape for each face is square. Let us see the pyramid. Do you think if I open it, what's the shape that I will have? What's the 2D shape I will have? I think here we have a triangle and here also triangle. Okay, show net. So the side here we have a triangle, but the bottom we have square. I can close it again and open it. How about the rectangular prism? So if I open the rectangular prism, I will have 2 shape here are square and 4 of them are rectangle. Sometimes I will have 6 faces. The shape for each one is rectangle. I can close it again. It will be 3D. If I open it, it's a net 2D shape. Diagram, show me how many faces and what's the shape for each face. Okay, boys and girls, I have a question for you. If I want to draw a square, which 3D shape I will use to trace a square, to draw a square? I have a square in the cube. And also I have a square in the pyramid. The square is down here. Stop. This is the square. And also, if I want to draw a rectangle, I will use rectangular prism. If I want to draw a circle, I will use a cylinder because the cylinder have a circle up and down. Who's else have a circle? Yes, cone. Cone also have circle down here. So if I want to trace a circle, I will use cylinder because the surface of the cylinder down have a shape of a circle. So I put the cylinder, then trace with a pen. Then I will have a circle. If I want to trace a square, I want to draw a square, I can use pyramid or I will use cube. Here I will use a pyramid. I will put it, then trace, because the bottom of the pyramid is square. If I want to trace now a rectangle, of course I will use rectangular prism. I will put it like this, then trace. Then I will have a rectangle. Try to do it at your home with different shape. Trace and draw circles, rectangle and square.